What's up, everybody? This is Tech G back with another video to help you successfully pass the Microsoft 365 Certified Fundamentals examination. So let's get into it. Data compliance has become a cornerstone of organizational success in the digital era. With increasing regulatory requirements and risk associated with data handling, businesses need robust tools to manage compliance effectively. Microsoft Purview, this provides a suite of data compliance solutions designed to help organizations manage risk, protect sensitive data, and meet legal and regulatory obligations. And in this video, we're going to explore the key components of Microsoft Purview, focusing on its audit, eDiscovery, compliance manager, communication compliance, data lifecycle management, and records management features. All right, so let's talk about Microsoft Purview. So modern organizations, they operate in a complex regulatory environment. From GDPR to HIPAA and other industry-specific regulations, businesses must ensure they handle data responsibly. Microsoft Purview, which is a unified data governance and compliance platform, it provides powerful tools to address these challenges. By leveraging Purview, organizations can proactively identify and mitigate risks, maintain transparency and accountability in data handling, and simplify compliance with a centralized solution. And in this video, we're going to dive into how Microsoft Purview's features enables organizations to maintain compliance efficiently and effectively. All right, so let's talk about audit and Microsoft Purview. So the audit capabilities of Microsoft Purview, they offer a comprehensive way to track and monitor user activities across your organization's Microsoft 365 environment. This functionality is crucial for both operational insights and compliance reporting. And some of the key features are as follows. So it offers a unified audit log. And this provides a centralized location to search for user and admin activities across Microsoft 365 services, including Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Teams. It also offers advanced auditing. So it retains audit logs for up to 1 year and includes detailed events such as file access or email read status. And it also offers custom audit policies. So it allows admins to set tailored policies to track specific actions relevant to their compliance needs. And some of the benefits are as follows. So it offers enhanced security, so it can detect potential insider threats by identifying unusual activities. There's compliance support, so it simplifies audits and regulatory reporting with comprehensive logs. And then there's operational insights, so it understands user behavior to improve system efficiency and security. And here's a real-world use case example. So a financial institution that's using Purview's audit logs, they can identify unauthorized access to sensitive documents, ensuring regulatory compliance with data privacy laws. All right, next we have what is called eDiscovery in Microsoft Purview. So Microsoft Purview's eDiscovery solutions are designed to help organizations identify, preserve, and review information that might be relevant to legal cases or compliance investigations. And some of the key features are as follows. So there is core eDiscovery, and this provides basic tools to search and export content from Microsoft 365 services. There's advanced eDiscovery. This offers more sophisticated capabilities, including data analysis, relevant scoring, and collaboration on case reviews. Then there's the hold functionality. This ensures critical data is preserved during litigation or investigations. And some of the benefits are as follows. So there is efficiency. So you can streamline the legal discovery process with automated tools. There's cost reduction. You can minimize manual effort and reduce legal costs. And then there's compliance assurance, where you can preserve and manage data to meet legal and regulatory obligations. And a real world use case is a health provider. They use advanced eDiscovery to manage litigation related data, ensuring compliance with HIPAA regulations while reducing the time spent on manual data collection. All right, next we have the Compliance Manager. So the Compliance Manager in Microsoft Purview, this simplifies the process of meeting regulatory and organizational compliance requirements by providing insights and actionable recommendations. And its key features are as follows. So it offers assessment templates. So there are pre-built templates aligned with various regulatory frameworks, such as GDPR, ISO 27001, and CCPA. It offers compliance scores. So it provides a numerical score to indicate your organization's compliance posture. And it also offers control management, where it tracks implementation status for controls related to compliance requirements. And the benefits are there's proactive risk management, Management, where it can identify gaps in compliance before they become issues, simplified reporting, where it can generate reports for auditors and stakeholders, and actionable insights, where they can receive specific guidance on improving compliance scores. And a real world use case would be a global manufacturing firm that uses Compliance Manager. They can streamline compliance with GDPR by leveraging its assessment templates and compliance score tracking. Next, we have the communication compliance. So communication compliance in Microsoft Purview, this helps organizations monitor and address inappropriate communications within their environment. And this tool is particularly relevant for industries with strict regulatory requirements around communication oversight. And the key features are as follows. So it offers policy configuration, and this is where you can create policies to detect offensive language, sensitive information sharing, or other inappropriate content. It offers machine learning models, so we can leverage AI to identify risk more accurately. And then there's escalation and reporting, where you can automatically flag and escalate violations to compliance officers. And its benefits are as follows. You have regulatory adherence, so you can ensure compliance with communication-related regulations such as FINRA or the SEC. Then there's workplace safety, where you can foster a safe and inclusive environment by addressing harassment or bullying. And then there's operational efficiency, which allows you to automate communication review, which reduces manual effort. And a real world use case would be a financial service firm that uses communication compliance to monitor and report violations, ensuring adherence to SEC regulations and maintaining client trust. Next, we have the data lifecycle management. So the data lifecycle management in Microsoft Purview, this allows organizations to manage data throughout its lifecycle, ensuring it is stored, used, and disposed of securely and compliantly. And its key features are as follows. So it offers retention policies that define policies to retain critical data for compliance purposes. It has disposition reviews that can review and approve data before deletion. Then there's automatic labeling, which can automatically classify and manage data based on its sensitivity. And its benefits are there's regulatory compliance, where it can meet data retention requirements for various regulations, risk mitigation. It can reduce the risk of data breaches by securely disposing of outdated information. And there's operational efficiency, where it can automate data management processes. And a real world use case would be a law firm that uses DLM to retain case-related data for 7 years to comply with legal obligations and securely delete it afterwards to reduce storage costs. Next, we have records management. So records management in Microsoft Purview provides tools to classify, retain, and manage records in compliance with organizational and regulatory requirements. And here are the key features. So there are retention labels that allow for you to apply labels to classify content as a record. It offers event-based retention, so you can trigger retention periods based on specific events such as contract termination. And it offers immutable records, so this ensures records cannot be modified or deleted during the retention period. And some of the benefits are compliance assurance, so it meets industry and government regulations for record keeping, data integrity, where it can preserve the authenticity and accuracy of records, and then it offers streamlined processes that allow for you to automate record classification and retention. And a real world use case would be a government agency that uses records management to comply with public sector record keeping laws, ensuring records were securely stored and readily accessible for audits. So in conclusion, Microsoft Purview's data compliance solutions empower organizations to manage risk and meet regulatory requirements effectively. By leveraging features like audit, eDiscovery, compliance manager, communication compliance, data lifecycle management, and records management, businesses can ensure data security, streamline compliance processes, and maintain operational efficiency. In today's regulatory landscape, staying compliant isn't just an option, it is a necessity. So with Microsoft Purview, organizations, they have tools they can use to navigate this landscape confidently. So whether you're addressing legal challenges, safeguarding sensitive data, or meeting industry standards, Purview provides a unified, comprehensive solution to meet your compliance needs. All right, so with all of that being said, let's do some check on learning. So, what is the primary purpose of the audit feature in Microsoft Purview? Is it to monitor and log user activities for forensic and compliance purposes? Is it to enforce policies for data retention and deletion? Is it to discover and retrieve content relevant to legal investigations? Or is it to manage permissions for accessing sensitive documents? And the correct answer is it is for monitoring and logging user activities for forensic and compliance purposes. So the audit feature in Microsoft Purview helps organizations monitor and log user activities across Microsoft 365 to ensure compliance and provide evidence for forensic analysis. This enables organizations to track specific actions performed by users, ensuring accountability and compliance with regulations. Next question, which Microsoft Purview tool is best suited for discovering and managing content related to legal investigations? Would it be the Compliance Manager? Would it be eDiscovery? Would it be the Data Lifecycle Management? Or would it be Records Management? And the correct answer is it is eDiscovery. So eDiscovery, which stands for electronic discovery, and Microsoft Purview is designed to locate, preserve, and export content in response to legal or regulatory investigations. This tool streamlines the process of identifying and retrieving information, ensuring compliance with legal requirements. And our final question, what is the role of Compliance Manager in Microsoft Purview? Is it monitors internal communications for policy violations? Is it automates the retention and deletion of records? Is it provides a score-based assessment of compliance risk and recommendations? Or is it manages lifecycle policies for data in Microsoft 365? And the correct answer is it provides a score-based assessment of compliance risk and recommendations. So Compliance Manager in Microsoft Purview helps organizations assess their compliance posture by providing a compliance score. It offers recommendations to reduce risk and improve compliance with industry standards and regulations.